Guys, my name is Yemi, and somewhere right there is Blingz. Oh, I said it. This girl likes over sabi. Like, why you using what's that scarf for now? You went to carry scarf. Azal, please, I beg. I like my outfit like this. Bosha, let me go and carry my shoes. Should I use belt? No, Jare, I have one belt, but I don't have time to look for the belt. I don't know what this one is doing. She has tied that scarf on her belt loop. Just say you don't have money for belts. Buga fun e o. Abeg, Jare, I no send you. As you have now tied it beside you now, you now dragged it and dragged it out. Please, where is the sense in what you are doing? And you are happy. She's even talking. Omo, I don't even understand this girl. I don't understand that. May I wear my own shoe? Cause me, I no send person. What is this one that she's doing now? What has she going to look for? Over sabi girl. Pin? Okay, you better don't poke yourself. If you mistakenly trick yourself like this, no be me go carry you go hospital. I beg, may I wear my shoe? See me now. Says I fine. If you don't wear top, you don't wear trousers, it's okay. Which one is to be doing over sabi? She has done it. Okay. And even though it's fine, small, but I beg. Let me adjust myself. I no see person, me self I be queen. See me now, take a look at me. Let me adjust my back. What is it? See, that's why I don't like this girl. She likes to do over sabi. What is this one? Hey, man, she fashion parade. She dey do fashion parade. Abeg, I dey adjust myself. I no see person. If you like, turn around, do anything. See me self. I no bad. Omo, what is it? It's okay. Be going now. Shebi you are done. And you have already used scarf to style yourself. Me too, I go and buy scarf now. It's only you that can buy scarf. I'm not crying, no, me, I cannot cry because of you. Let me adjust my leg. In fact, this girl just dey vex me. This Blingz, they vex me. I dey go, bye-bye.